So now briefly from my account, let me actually withdraw and see what is going on. I have about 9,615 naira presently. So I'm just going to tap on withdraw. I already talked about this in the last video, but let me still show you. I can withdraw about 8,000. So let me put in my bank details, and once I'm done with this, I'm going to tap on withdraw. So I'm going to select the amount. Let me go for just 5k. Let me go for 5k and withdraw. So now I'm going to expect, let me do like 1k more. Let me do 1k more. I tap on withdraw. You can actually withdraw 10 times daily. Let me go for another 1k and withdraw. Then I wait for the payment. So withdraw. I think, let me stop here for now. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds. You should be paid within few seconds. You can actually make up to 5k every single day on this app, and I'm going to talk about this in this video. So now I received the notification. Let me log into my OP account and see if I received it. Now let me tap on me and check my transaction history. So from my transaction history, I just received it within 5 minutes. I received 7,000 naira from this application I'm about to show you in this video. I already talked about this in the previous video, and with this application, the amount of money you can earn for yourself every single day is unlimited. Now let's dive into the video. So now, one good thing aside playing games and earning money on this app, just like I said, I explained how to do this in the previous video. You can still refer to the video if you haven't watched the video yet. Another great way to earn is what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, do not forget, like I explained in the last video, if you register using my link, you're going to get a code which you can apply to your account, and with this code you can get between 500 naira to 20,000 naira absolutely to begin with. So now, if you are new to this app, you have to register an account. To register, simply tap on register, fill in your mobile number, your password, and an OTP will be sent to the mobile number you put in, and you can successfully register an account. That is if you know how to play a game before. So now, once you have an account, the next thing you want to do is to log into your account. But if you do not know how to play a game, I suggest you watch the previous video. In the previous video, I talked about everything you need to know. The link is going to be the first link in the description, followed by the link to register and other details you need. So now, once you have an account, you want to log into your account, and to log in, simply tap on login and then log in into your account. So now, another great way to earn on this app is what I'm about to show you. As you can see, this is my balance at the top of the screen. I have about 2,000 naira here in my balance. So now, for you to earn on this app aside playing games, you can earn when you refer your friends and your families to register using your referral link. Like I already explained in the last video, to get your referral link, all you have to do is tap on agents. This is agent at the bottom of the screen. Tap on agent, tap on my referrals, and as you can see from this place, you copy your link. So now tap on copy to start referring your friends and your families, and you get a commission once they do certain things on the account, which I'm going to explain in this video. Now, if they get the app without the link, you can always tell them to come here. This superiors code, always tell them to come here. Then immediately after they register, they are going to type in this code you are seeing on this second box. For me, it is 105062. So the one on your account, you are going to give it to them, and they are going to type it in this box only if they do not use the link to register an account. But you can ask them to do it as well, because most times, you know, so ask them to come over here and type in your referral ID. So once they type it in, they are going to tap on bind. So now if you are using my own link, which is in the description, once you create an account, if you know how to play games already, these are the games you can play. Just come here and tap on this lucky code. Immediately you tap on it, you are going to put in CPAT, all in capital letters, CPAT 01. So now this is the code for you to apply, CPAT 01. So this is the code. I'm just showing it to you. So once you type in a code as instructed, CPAT 01, tap on draw, and you are going to get between 500 to 20,000 naira to begin with. So now once you get it, if you know how to play games, just continue with it. But if you do not know how to play games, watch the previous video and you are going to understand how to play games. Now the other way you can actually earn on this app is by becoming an agent. So now what it means is what I already talked about, copying your referral link and referring your friends and your families to create an account using your link. So now this is what you earn as an agent, right? As an agent, you get 0.6% commission on your level 1 referrals. So now what this means is for every single person you refer using your link directly, you're getting 0.6%, not from what they earn, but from the amount they used to bet, and for every recharge they make, you're getting 0.6. That is for the people you referred using your link. Now, if those who you referred refer other people using their own link, not yours, you're going to get 0.3% commission from every single person they refer. Now, if the people you referred or referred other people, if the referrals of the people you refer other people, this is the level 3 referrals, you're getting 0.1% commission. Once they place a bet, you're getting 0.1% commission from the bets they place, and you get a commission also when they recharge, and this commission can be converted and withdrawn. Now let me show you how to go about it. If I tap on agent details from here, you can see here this is bet commission, new user cash-in. You can go through this page yourself. So now let me tap on my agent. As you can see from my agent, personally I've earned about 8,749 naira commission from my level 1, level 2 and level 3 referrals. So now here is how to withdraw. Presently I have about just 118 to withdraw because I already withdrew this. So now you're going to enter the amount you want to withdraw here from. It must be under your current commission. So let's assume I have about 2,000 naira. I'm just simply going to type in 2,000 naira and you will tap on withdraw. That's pretty much it. So the amount actually changed because I do not have up to that, and the minimum is 1k. So this was for yesterday about 3,800, and this was everything just since the day I registered, I think about 3, 4, 5 days ago. So this is actually a pretty way to earn money, and you shouldn't restrict yourself. Refer numerous people, do not limit yourself. Just keep referring using your link. I already talked about how to get your link. Tap on your referral, copy your link, share it with your friends and your families, and you get 0.6% commission once they place the bet and once they recharge. So now if you tap on commission record, you are going to see from here, this I think 3 days. As you can see, this was the first day, the second day and the third day. So this is the commission I'm getting. So you shouldn't limit yourself as well. Refer people using your link, refer them and earn something reasonable for yourself. Don't just limit yourself to playing games alone. Even with playing games, you can earn a reasonable amount of money. So now that's pretty much about this video. If you like it, you can click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, like I always say, this is like a journey. I always make another video based on the previous video, so you shouldn't always miss the previous video. So click on the subscribe button and click on that bell icon to receive notifications immediately uploaded in video, and always make sure to watch the video so you do not miss what I talk about in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do not forget to share it with someone who needs to see this video today. I want to say a big thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.